SVR! Severe!
The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Oconee County in northeastern Georgia, northwestern Baldwin County in central Georgia, Morgan County in north central Georgia, Putnam County in central Georgia, northwestern Hancock County in east central Georgia, western Greene County in east central Georgia, Jones County in central Georgia, Jasper County in central Georgia, southeastern Newton County in north central Georgia, until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:53 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Calvin to near Postal, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Milledgeville, Eatonton, Madison, Gray, Monticello, Rutledge, Newborn, Mansfield, Shady Dale, Buckhead, Phoenix, Reynolds at Lake Oconee, Liberty, Merriweather, Bradley, Wayside, Rayswood, Risso's Crossroads, Round Oak, and Greshamville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-763-4466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. At 3 p.m. in Gainesville,